Hey guys, today we're playing a Jeff the Killer game. Oh my god. And Jeff the Killer is here. Actually, I'm not joking. I'll show you him. I don't know what he is right now. I'm gonna go look. Guys, I don't know where he is. Where is he? He's somewhere around here. You hear the laughing guy? That's him. I don't know where he is. I gotta find him. I'm gonna find him one day. He's not in there. He's not in the bathroom. Not in here. Where else would he be? Where is he? He has to be. Oh my gosh. He's right there! Guys, that's him. Right there, guys. That's Jeff the Killer. Like, watch. He killed me. Literally, guys, I can't believe Jeff the Killer is in the game. Guys, I don't know what Jack's saying, but guys, look. I'll show you him again. He's right there. How is he stuck there? Whoa, I never seen this place. I thought he was not stuck. I thought he was like running around. Guys, I keep wow! I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. I'm not going there. This game is creepy. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it. Oh yeah, hey guys, buy my merch. Look, it's like scary blood stuff. Yeah, that's my merch. I don't know where he is. Well, we know he's in here, so get out of here. I'm gonna get you out if you don't move. Can you get out of that spot, Jeff? We want you to run after everybody. Let's see what happens if I reset my character. Reset. And then, with my face, yeah, I'm a merge. Then, will we be unstuck? Because sometimes if you reset, I don't know, it's just a thing. Oh my. Oh my god, guys. He's in here from Guys, I can't believe this map is really cool. Guys, join this game right now. Oh, Jeff the Killer of the house. Yeah, guys, you're gonna be scared, I bet. You're gonna be really scared. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, here's the backyard. I'm gonna go through the backyard. You'll be like, ah, okay. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and bye.